And some people do aspire, conspire, perspire, and even expire without inspiring the world. Hello everyone, my name is Crystal Love, and I want to welcome you to this prestigious intellectual battle of the National School Quiz Challenge Season 2 and a theme, Nurturing Students for Success in a Changing World. 32 schools selected from all the 4 regions of Uganda to face each other in a knockoff round until the grand finale. The rule of this game is very simple and fair to both parties: win and stay, lose and go. Questions are selected from all examinable subjects on the USCE syllabus for round 1 and round 2. Round 3 is the ultimate challenge, where we do have 20 questions which will be answered by the participants in only 100 seconds. So right now, I want to send my special thanks to our proud organizers of this show, and that is Preda Media Limited. Thank you so much for what you're doing for the generation of Uganda. And I want to send my special thanks to our proud sponsors of this show, and that is Bugema University Excellence in Service, and also Spear Motors Limited, and we are also powered by Star Times Uganda. So in this championship, the best students in science subjects walk away with a full school fees bursary for a full term. So to vote for the best students in science subjects, it's very simple. Just go in your message panel, type NSQC, leave a space, type sciences, leave a space, type the name of the participant and the name of the school, and also send to 8008. And the same thing applies to those students who are doing arts. The best students in arts will also walk away with a full school fees bursary for a full term. So to vote for the best students in arts, it's very simple. Just go in your message panel, type NSQC, leave a space, type arts, leave a space, type the name of the participant, and also send to 8008. And also, in this championship, the best team walk out with 1 million Ugandan shilling courtesy of Bugema University and also Spear Motors and also Star Times Uganda. So tonight, I do have Kololo Senior Secondary School up against Mbogo High. The battle is not only for the brains, but it's also the battle between mixed schools and single schools. So we are going to start off the challenge for tonight, and I'm going to ask my participants, are you ready for the competition tonight? Are you ready? So let the challenge begin right here on the National School Quiz Challenge, and I'm your host, Crystal Love. Let's start round 1 right now. So now we are going to start off with Mbogo High, and I'm going to start off with the Nalubega. Sheila is going to be taking the stage in round 1 representing Mbogo High. So Sheila, which is going to be your choice of discipline?
Biology.
Biology. Okay. Remember, you have 5 seconds per question. Are you ready? Okay, in 5 seconds. Question 1. In the human body, the basic building blocks are?
Cells.
Correct. And the answer is cells. Moving on to the next question is, insufficient blood supply in the human body is referred to as?
Anemia.
And the answer is ischemia. Moving on to the next question, number 3. Goiter or abdominal enlargement of the thyroid gland is caused by the deficiency of what?
Iodine.
The answer is iodine. Moving on to the next question. The hereditary disease into which the blood does not clot and the affected person may bleed to death even from a small cut is called?
Philia.
Correct. The answer is hemophilia. Which one among the following cells organelles is semi-permeable? A, cell membrane. B, plasma membrane.
Plasma membrane.
And the answer is B, plasma membrane. Number 6. The common edible mushroom is known as a what?
Pass.
The answer is a mass of fungal spores. Number 7. Bleeding and management of bees is termed as?
Apiculture.
Correct. The answer is apiculture. Moving on to number 8. Excessive drinking of alcoholic drinks causes damage to which part of the body?
The liver.
Correct. The answer is liver. Number 9. The pH of human blood is normally around?
6.5 to 7.5.
Correct. The answer is 7.5. Number 10. Which one among the following vitamins is necessary for blood clotting? A, vitamin D. B, vitamin K.
Vitamin K.
The answer is B, vitamin K. The macronutrients provided by inorganic fertilizers are? A, carbon, iron, and boron. B, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium.
It is B.
Correct. The answer is B, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Number 2, vermicomposite is a what? A, inorganic fertilizers. 2, organic biofertilizers. 3, synthetic fertilizers.
Synthetic.
Wrong. The answer is 2, organic biofertilizers. And moving on to number 13. Which one among the following statements is correct? A, all enzymes are proteins. B, all proteins are enzymes.
It is A.
The answer is A, all enzymes are proteins. Moving on to the next question. The scientist known as a father of genetics is called? The answer is G.J. Mendel. Number 15, the last question is, which one among the flowers is the biggest in the whole world? A, the glory lily. B, the sunflower. C, the rafflesia.
Sunflower.
Wrong. And the answer is C, the rafflesia. And that ends round 1 for Bobo High. And thank you so much, Nalwega Shida, for that awesome performance in round 1. And remember, this show is brought about to you by Bugema University Excellence in Service. And we are sponsored by Spear Motors Limited. And we are powered by Star Times Uganda. And we are also proudly organized by Prada Media Limited. And I'm still your host, Crystal Love. So we are going to go to Kolo Senior Secondary School for their round 1. So Chiotembo, William, you're taking the stage. Which is going to be your choice of discipline?
Chemistry.
Chemistry it is, okay. Remember, you have 5 seconds per question. Are you ready? Okay, I guess you're not nervous. Okay, in 5 seconds. What is the first element of the periodic table?
Hydrogen.
Correct. The answer is hydrogen. Number 2, who invented the first atmospheric engine? A, Joseph Black. B, Thomas Newcomen.
Thomas Newcomen.
Correct. The answer is Thomas Newcomen. Number 3, what is the center of an atom called?
Nucleus.
Correct. The answer is the nucleus. Number 4, which of the following parts of the brain involved in the speech? A, prefrontal cortex. B, Broca's area.
Prefrontal cortex.
Wrong. You pick it?
Broca's area.
Correct. The answer is B, Broca's area. Moving on to the next question. Number 5, what is the main gas found in the air we breathe?
Nitrogen.
Correct. The answer is nitrogen. And moving on to the next question, number 6. What is the fourth state of matter?
Gas.
The answer is plasma. Next question. K is the chemical symbol for which element?
Potassium.
Correct. The answer is potassium. Next question. Who developed the first dry cell battery? A, Charles Drysdale. B, Louis Agassiz. C, Georges Leclanche.
A.
Wrong.
Georges Leclanche.
Correct. The answer is C, Georges Leclanche. Next question. Who built the first real steam engine?
Pass.
The answer is James Watt. Number 10. What effect does salt have on the freezing point of water? A, it increases it. B, it depresses it. C, it does not affect it.
It does not affect it.
Wrong.
Depresses it.
Correct. You get a bonus mark for that. And the answer is B, it depresses it. Next question. For who is the unit of electrical resistance named?
Pass.
The answer is George Ohm. Next question. What is the diffusion of molecules of water from an area of low solid concentration to high concentration through a semi-permeable membrane?
Diffusion.
Wrong.
Active transport.
Wrong. The answer is osmosis. Next question. What did Sidney Chapman discover that protects the Earth's surface from harmful ultraviolet radiation?
Ozone. Ozone layer.
Correct. The answer is ozone layer. Next question. What is the chemical symbol for tin?
SN.
Correct. The answer is SN. Next question, the last question is, true or false? Acids have a pH level below 7.
Correct. It's true.
Correct. The answer is true. And that has been round 1 for Kololo Senior Secondary School. A round of applause for Chotembo William for that outstanding performance in round 1 for their school. Anyway, we are going to go for a quick commercial break. And remember, this show is brought about to you by Bukema University Excellence in Service. And we are sponsored by Spear Motors Limited. And we are proudly powered by StarTimes Uganda. And we are proudly organized by Prada Media Limited. I'm still your host, Crystal Love. I'm coming back with round 2. So let's come back after the break for round 2.